Hello and welcome to the Goa Cricket Association's Academy ground at Porori. At the outset, let me wish you a very happy Holi, the festival of colours. And here we are celebrating the festival of 2020 cricket. The next game is very big occasion for CAG and ONGC. CAG actually are sitting very pretty in this Group A. They have won both their games and they are through to the semi-finals. But the winner here, if CAGR, would sit top of the Group A. So that is CAG's target now to win and finish at the top of the Group A. On the other hand, ONGC have just one victory under their belt so far and they need to win this game to make it to the semi-finals, or else the group will be very tricky. CAG, if they win, they'll be having 3 victories under their belt, while ONGC, Air India and DY Patil will all end up with 1 victory each. And then the second semi-finalist through Group A would be decided on run rate. And really, in cricket, nobody wants the team's fate to be decided on the run rate. And so ONGC will really give it their best and would go right away for that victory. So we are awaiting the toss for this big game, the decider in Group A. So you can see here the toss being undertaken, captain of ONGC Suhel Sharma and Ankit Sharma of CAG, both here along with the match referee Vinod Dhamaskar. So CAG have won the toss and they have decided to bat first. It's a big game for both these teams and the fate of ONGC hangs on a victory here. Especially with regards to the semi-finals matchup, the winner of Group A will face IOC in the semi-finals, whereas the runner-up of Group A would face the toppers of Group B, and that's Reliance. So it would be really difficult to encounter Reliance at this stage because they are a really tough unit. So the winner here, if they are CAG, they would avoid the top place team in Group B. So this should be a cracking game and we just can't wait to start, get on with the entertainment here at the GCA Academy ground at Porori.
Coming down the track, slightly getting this here, good take, the wicket keeper. Yes, the finger is going up towards the heaven. When GC strikes, Sanjay Pahal gets the first wicket. Beauty. Oh, this could have been just close. Batsman, non-striker, had a slip. Made a 4. Lofted shot. This time the short fielder would be just crossing the boundary for 4. Much needed boundary coming up here for CAG. Jai Pahal is brilliant when it comes to line and length. Beauty. Extra bit of a bouncer. But once again, the line was perfect. Lasting its way through the offside and gets the gap, gets the boundary. Something suddenly, timing it perfectly. Good looking shot this time, gets hold of that one. That is the minds in there. Will cross and once again good hold this time from Saxena. Finds the gap, gets the boundary. Oh, the wicket falls down. As the ball damages the furniture.
Bar, keeper को जब मार देते हैं बाउंड्री लाइन के पार, बाउंड्री. Long shot. He packed the ball into the stadium. Now the wicket comes into the no man's land region. Who is the ball? Comfortable. Come on, taken by the batsman. Opening him up.
Lofted shot! That's going out of here! For sure, that's on mine! Right in the crowd for a sixer! This time round, the captain's back! That's big one! That's better!
Slice it, finds the captain, ball is releasing it once again. It will go all the way for the fence. Beautiful boundary.
Like it really nicely picked up once again. Nice and straight. Down the ground. It's up and over. Going across and Martin once again away, but this time the ball goes down the throat, right in the abdomen of the fielder. Saxena is out.
5 overs remain as Comptroller and Auditors General have moved on to 107 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. Jalaj Saxena was dismissed just a little while back with 40 runs to his name, played an important role, a responsible role after coming one down. Now Ankit Sharma, the captain, has played a couple of big sixers, hit a couple of big sixers and is playing an important role here. He has helped CAG to up the ante and they have moved on to 107 for 4 at the end of 15 overs. Earlier, Swapnil Sarvi was dismissed for 19 runs in 16 balls, and then Bhavesh Shetty also played a key role with 25 runs coming off his bat in 20 deliveries with 6 fours and 1 sixer. So an important stage of the match now with 5 overs remaining. CAG have to be aggressive and take the total to as many as possible. Remember, this is a must-win game for ONGC, and CAG can progress to the semi-finals even with a defeat here. But ONGC have to win. If they don't win, then 3 teams will be tied on 1 victory each, and the matter will be decided on the basis of their net run rate. So this is a must win for ONGC, and we can see that they have put in a lot of effort in their bowling performance.
Good looking shot. This time it's one tackle. The ball is racing. And a beautiful boundary the making. Timing to perfection. Dick Sharma once again the tracking shot. Gets the boundary. Good looking shot. Nicely picked up. Ankush Prince. Nice do it with the wrist. 1 bounce to the fence. Sheer timing. Takes the ball. Good looking shot, nice and straight. Oh. Step to the field. Has he taken? Yes, it looks like Sumit Narwal has the man. Ankit Sharma is asking the question. He must have just kissed the grass. Well. Blocked it in. This could be another wicket for Sumit Narwal, and yes, a fumble and tumble, but he's in control of the ball. He's taken 2 wickets for Sumit Narwal in this over. This is up in there, and someone should make this. The ball is getting underneath it and hands on to the catch. Caught and bowled. Wickets are falling like a house of cards. One after another from CAG. 7 down. Low full does nicely, picks up and finds he definitely will find the boundary. Shot ball and pull beautifully this time. Right out from the middle of the bat. Bang she goes. Right distance. Good hit, but this time the ball will not go on the boundary, but will be, oh dear me, having a collision of fielders, resulting in no throw, sending him back on time. Imtiaz Ahmed. Right in the glove, it could be a risky single, good throw on the wicket. Imtiaz Ahmed is clean up. 8 wickets down on 144. Full toss, base straight to long on. Could be another runs in. Now the throw comes in. They are running for it. It will be a direct throw. Another wicket goes down. 9 down for 145. Good looking shot, nice and straight. A boundary.
149 for 9 is what CAG have managed to put on the board. It's a good total where ONGC will have to score at the rate of 7.5 runs per over. Now this is a very important match for ONGC in particular, as they have to win this game to progress to the semi-finals from Group A. ONGC having CAG having won the toss decided to bat first, and they have put on 149 for 9. Jalaj Saxena was the top scorer with 40 runs to his name, played a steady inning, while their main impetus, their main hard-hitting knock came from the captain Ankit Sharma, who scored 28 runs of 21 deliveries. He was very aggressive, hitting a couple of towering sixers, but then he was dismissed to a slightly controversial catch, as it didn't look conclusive enough on naked eye that he was caught on the boundary. It was a very flat, hard-hitting hit that was eventually deemed to be a good enough catch for Ankit Sharma to be dismissed. Now another important knock came from Bhavesh Shetty, 2-down batsman. He scored 25 runs of 20 deliveries with 1 4 and 1 sixer. Earlier in the inning, opener Swapnil Sarvi scored 19 runs of 16 deliveries. He was a little aggressive at the top of the order and hit a couple of sixers. On the bowling side, Sanjay Pahal was the most impressive bowler from ONGC. The Haryana fast medium bowler bowled 4 overs and giving away just 14 runs, picked up 2 wickets. Sumit Narwal also picked up 2 wickets. He gave 28 runs in his 4 overs. So overall, it was not bad performance from ONGC bowling and fielding department. While CAG batsmen didn't put in too much of an effort, and they were not very aggressive enough. So the total of 149 is a in-between sort of a total, wherein ONGC will have to bat really well carefully to start with, and it's a tricky score, but if they bat well, they should achieve the target of 150 runs and progress to the semi-finals.
Oh, this time timed it perfectly, right in the gap against the boundary. The captain of ONGC, Suhail Sharma. Nicely timed, it's up and over, somebody will take it. And taken. Good looking shot from Abdul Benz, a stylish and a cracking beauty. Beautiful boundary.
Shot.
Good looking shot improvisation there, and given the ball an angle to the boundary. A boundary to bring an end to the 4th over. Good looking shot. This time gets hold of that one, but the up and out of the fielder. Sixer from Ankush Baines. Played with this time straight to the fielder. Unlucky this time. Ankush Baines is out. Going across, just shuffling with a beautiful delivery.
ONGC batsmen have found it very tough to get these CAG bowlers away, so they are in the 6th over. That's the power play. ONGC are 32 for the loss of 2 wickets. Both their openers have been dismissed. Sorry, Suhil Sharma has been dismissed. Tanmay Shrivastava is still there. And one down batsman Ankush Baines is also out after playing some couple of beautiful shots. So now Tanmay and Mayank Tehlan have a very big role to play to steady these innings and form the backbone of this chase, because it's a must-win game for ONGC. Oh, that's a welcome boundary for ONGC, but quite streaky as the fielder in the gully made a valiant attempt, but ONGC have got away with it, and at the end of 6 overs they are 36 for 2, exactly 6 runs per over. They now have to score 114 runs of 84 balls to get to the all important victory.
Again, this bar taken out. Very good gap में से boundary, short cut. इस बार हालांकि छलांग लगाई थी, रोक नहीं पाए, चौका, boundary.
It's turning out to be a very tight game, as ONGC batsmen are really they have to work hard to get every run here, because the CAG bowlers are really bowling a very tight line, while the fielders are quite pumped up in the field. So Tanmay Shrivastava is really the key man here. He's set and he's playing a very responsible knock here, being unbeaten on 27 runs. Nitish Rana has just joined him and he's on 3. Nitish Rana also a very capable batsman. He was the man of the match in their previous game. A very important stage of the match here, with 10 overs gone and the score on the board being 67 runs. So ONGC need another 83 runs in 60 deliveries with 7 wickets in hand. Set Tanmay Shrivastava and Nitish Rana, they are in the center, and let us join the action there.
पॉइंट की दिशा में खेल दिया, तेजी से दौड़ पड़े, दूसरा रन यहाँ पे another fighting delivery and sailing over the long boundary region onto the scoreboard. Lovely gliding the ball through the third man region, boundary of the very first ball. Pressure released. Lovely shot by the batsman. Played on the leg side and a boundary. Lovely shot, pierced the gap to perfection. Hand-eye coordination.
Flashing shot and taken.
ONGC require 40 runs in 28 deliveries, but Tanmay Shrivastava, who was really playing a very responsible knock, has just been dismissed for 48 runs. Now a new man is in Rahul Tewatia, who will join Nitish Rana, who's on 24 runs in the middle now. Rana will assume a very important role now, as he has to guide this chase forward, with Rahul being the new man in. So it's a very, very tense game now. It's heading for a tense finish, as CAG bowler Imtiaz Ahmed is really bowling the right line and length. He's in his third over and has given just 8 runs away, having picked 1 wicket. So let's join in the action in the center with Imtiaz Ahmed bowling to Nitish Rana.
Short ball played, nicely negotiated, good bargain for a single. Up in the air, this will be a wicket. Yes, it is. Rahul Tiwatia departs. 117. Good pick up and throw. And the ball had to hit the stump, that would have been. Sandia to save, flashing shot will be another wicket. The catch has been brilliant. The catch is big flashing. CAG taking yet another wicket. Good swing and gets the boundary. The very first ball. Nitish Rana. Once again swing. This time it's high. It's huge. It's humongous. It's gigantic. It's enormous. It's massive. One bounce to the fence. Congratulations CAG for an outstanding win and well played. Nitish Rana.
ONGC have become the first big casualty of the second Goa Corporate League. They lost by just 2 runs, and as such they were left with just 1 victory in the 3 league games. CAG have of course qualified from Group A with 3 victories out of 3 matches. And who are the second qualifiers from this group? Well, they are Air India, because their net run rate was better than ONGC and DY Patil. So Air India have clinched the second available semi-final spot from Group A. Now CAG will take on the second place team from Group B, that is IOC, in the first semi-final, while Air India will play with the defending champions and tournament favourites here, Reliance One, in the second semi-finals. So this ONGC versus CAG final group game in Group A proved to be a real cliffhanger and the best match of the tournament so far. These are the games, T20 games, that one would really pay for and travel any miles to come and watch. So this match really wasn't a high-scoring game, but it was a tense match where ONGC had to chase a target of 150 and they fell short by 2 runs. Nitish Rana was playing a really good innings, and his effort was just short of taking his team to victory. He was unbeaten on 52 runs. Now the highlight of the match was Tanmay Srivastava's 48-run inning, as well as when he was dismissed, ONGC were 110 runs for the loss of 3 wickets in 15.1 overs. From there onwards, Nitish Rana played a very, very important role, and he was steering the ONGC inning. In the last over, they required 19 runs, and Nitish Rana took Gurinder Singh, the spinner, for 11 runs in the first 3 deliveries. So that left Pankaj Jaiswal facing the 4th delivery, which proved to be a dot ball. Pankaj then took a single on the second last ball, and when Nitish Rana took a strike for the last delivery, he could only hit a boundary. So that saw ONGC taking 17 runs off 16 runs off the last over and leaving them 2 runs short of the target. So that was the story of the match. From the bowling side, Shaurya Sanandhya was a very key bowler for CAG. He took 3 wickets in his 4 overs, giving away 24 runs, while Imtiaz Ahmed also bowled really, really well, giving away just 14 runs in his allotted 4 overs and picking a wicket. So CAG were very impressive and they put out a really professional performance in this match, and thus booking their spot at the top of Group A with a 2-run victory in their final league game over Reliance. We are just moments away from the presentation ceremony.
We had an excellent match today, the last league match of this tournament. We are going to witness semi-finals tomorrow, but it's really a great match of last league match. Congrats to both the teams for such a wonderful match. As some wonderful performances from both batsmen as well as bowler for both the teams. We had Tanmay Srivastav carrying the bat to a long way, almost along with Nitish Rana. Tanmay scored 48, Nitish Rana scored 52. Excellent bowling by Pahel, 4 overs, 14 runs and 2 wickets. So also Imtiaz Ahmad, 4 overs, 14 runs, 1 wicket. And yes, Sanandia, 4 overs, 24, 3 wickets. Excellent performance by this bowler. But the man of the match, I have selected 2 because one from winning side and other one has made a big match of it. And man of the match goes to Jalaj Saxena for his 40 runs in 37 balls, an excellent economical 3 overs, and also for Nitish Rana for his excellent innings of 58 not out. Almost made and brought the team to the semi-finals. Congratulations.
So Nitish Rana and Jalaj Saxena receiving their man of the match.
Yeah, we have with us Jalaj Saxena, who is man of the match after CAG have defeated ONGC by just 2 runs. Actually, the man of the match was once again shared, and the other cricketer who won the award was Nitish Rana of ONGC. Jalaj, quite a big game, and it was important for you all to win and occupy the top spot in Group A.
Exactly, the winning momentum is very important in a T20 tournament. So good win for us, and a very important for, like, the momentum is with us. So it's a good win.
Right. You all won the toss and decided to bat first. So did you all have any target in your mind?
No, actually, what was the target was we were taking 3 overs or 4 overs at a time. So we're not going for the 20 overs. We should say 180. We are not looking for that. We're looking for like 6 overs. How was the situation, and then we'll analyze, and then we'll see how it goes.
You all lost one of your opener very cheaply, and then you came as 1 down. So from there on, it was steady batting and not overly aggressive approach.
Yeah,
so
exactly. The wicket was a bit tricky. The bounce and the pace was it was double pace wicket. So we took the time initially because we know that if we keep our wickets in hand, and later on we can utilize the situation.
Now you all face IOC in the semi-finals. They are also a good team, so expecting a really tough game, tougher than this game in semis.
Well, I don't know how it will be, but I'll make sure that every person in the team will give his 100% and will try to win this game for CAG.
Well played, CAG. You have been very impressive as a unit. Really well played. Continue your good form. Thank you. So there you are, CAG having won 3 out of 3 games in Group A, sitting pretty at the top of the table, while in Group B, Reliance have done a similar thing. So these 2 teams are the teams to watch out, but in cricket you can never discount any other team. Air India, the runners-up of Group A, and then IOC, the second place team in Group B. These 2 teams can also be a formidable opponent on their day. So we are looking forward to the semi-finals day, and we will come to you with highlights of semis day as well. So that's all from Neeraj Prabhu and Tulsidas Chari from the Goa Cricket Association's Academy ground at Porvorim. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.